I'm going to show you a trick which is known as the sticky card. So basically, first what you do is you ask the audience to choose any one card. Please look at it. Now you take out 3 cards from the bottom, any 3, and you place them here, and you place that card here. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to give the cards a very nice shuffle. You can do the shuffle as many times as you want to do. I'm just doing one just to save time. And then if you do this, what I'm going to do 5 times. You ask them, is this your card? No? 1, this? No. 2, this? No. 3, nope. 4, nope. 5. And now this is useless. There are these 5 cards. So you ask them again, is this your card? Well, no. Is this your card? Nope. Any of these 3? They say nope. And now what I do is I put this card on and tell them to make a fist, and I put the card there and I slap them. And this is the card that they choose. It's the 10 of hearts. Now I'll show you how to do it. So basically what you have to do is it's an absolutely normal deck. You tell them to choose any card. For example, it's the King of Hearts. Then while they're looking at it, just take out 3 cards from the bottom and tell them to place the card here. And then put it back at the bottom. And then please note, watch this. This seems tricky, but it is not. When you're shuffling, just put a few cards down already. So that makes the chosen card stay at the same position. It is the 4th card from the bottom. You can do the shuffle as many times as you want to do. And now you do this, what I'm going to do 5 times. You ask them, is this your card? It won't be. So it's 1, 2, nope. 1, and here 2. Here, no. And that's 3. Nope. This, nope. So now this is not needed anymore. I have these 5 cards. And note, from the bottom, this is the King of Hearts. This is the 2nd card. So now I do the same thing twice. I ask them, is this your card? They say no. So I put it down. Note, the King of Hearts is right at the bottom. Is this? It won't be. This. Now show them these 3. The 8 of clubs, 9 of clubs, and 7 of clubs. They won't be, because this card is at the bottom. Now, keeping this card at the bottom, do not reveal it that it is at the bottom. Just keep it on the fist and give it a good slap. And the card which will remain on the fist will be the chosen card, which in this case is the King of Hearts. Isn't that amazing?